Dear all, welcome to this new review brought to you by NordVPN, an outstanding VPN application you can use to protect yourself online with double data encryption. Thanks to more than 5,500 servers spread in 60 countries, you can connect to a full protected VPN server and keep safe your personal data and payments, unlock Netflix, or avoid data logging. NordVPN has been awarded as Best VPN Service in 2021 by VPN Mentor and now comes faster than ever with excellent smoothness. You can run it on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, but also on smartphones and tablets with Android and iOS. It is also available as proxy extension for Chrome and Firefox browsers, completely free to use. Make sure to catch our discount link and our coupon code in the video description to get a 2-year plan 70% off with 1 month completely free. If you don't like it, you can always take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee policy. When you open NordVPN, a login is required with your browser to validate your license. This same account can run other Nord security products and validates NordVPN up to 6 different devices and keep them secure. NordVPN has a very simple interface. At the bottom, you can use Quick Connect to connect to the fastest and smoother VPN server available at the moment, or simply pick any server you want from the direct map or the list on the left. On top, use the search bar to quickly find what you are looking for. NordVPN also includes advanced services, such as servers for peer-to-peer traffic, P2P, or the possibility to use a dedicated IP address for the maximum privacy protection on what you are doing. You can also use double VPN to make a double VPN connection in series and enable Onion over VPN to make a complete anonymous internet experience without sharing any kind of data on your most favorite browser and apps. From the settings panel, you can enable CyberSec to protect yourself from pop-ups and malware, or change the language for NordVPN. With Auto Connect, you can enable VPN connection automatically on all networks or just on non-trusted networks. Moreover, you can select the protocol to use under VPN protocol, although we suggest to use the new NordLynx one that uses the ultimate WireGuard protocol for the maximum speed on VPN connections. On Kill Switch, you can include all the applications that can connect to the internet only through a VPN connection. Now, this works also on web applications, including the ones from Microsoft Store. On Advanced, you can apply a custom DNS to get protected on NordVPN on a selected server address. If you need support, you can open the Help Center and get immediate help thanks to NordVPN's 24/7 official support. Thank you very much for watching this review. Make sure to catch our special discount link and our coupon code to get and stay secure with NordVPN.